titabla na, anong pakiramdam?
Well, thank you Lord, no sign of relief sa amin, but we're still want more. Siyempre, we know talaga coming to this game, kailangan namin maging positive every time. So, for us right now, never too high, never too low. Yung hungry, andun pa rin. Hopefully, ma-turn around namin yung series.
In terms of aggressiveness, parang hindi lang ikaw yung naging aggressive, parang talagang lahat ko yung sabi mo sa effort ng lahat ng...
Well, at credit syempre sa lahat ng players ng teams, not just yung mga naglalaro. From dugout pa lang, yung mga bench player, yung mga slingers namin, talagang positive mindset na sila. Sa dugout pa lang, grabe yung energy nila. So, I think nagkaroon kami ng positive vibes ng coming to this game. And all credit din sa adjustment ng coaching staff namin, syempre. And big game para sa amin.
Tingin nyo ba na kung nakukuha nyo na yung mga ginagawa ng TNT?
For us right now, happy kami na tabla namin, but we know TNT, their coaching staff, Coach Shot, alam natin battle of adjustment ko. So we know mag-adjust sila kami sa next game. Hopefully kung anong work namin sa practice and then ma-apply namin sa next game.
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.